Hello friends, today is part 3 of our Type Tool class. Press Ctrl-T and a pop-up will appear. This is the character panel. Here you can find many fonts, and here are the font styles, which means the font family. If all options are not visible, go here and click on the Show Options option. Now you can see that in this panel we can increase or decrease the font size. And from here we can also set leading. Leading means the amount of space between lines of text. This is the tracking option. It means it creates space between our words like this. Now let's move forward. This is the kerning option. It means it creates space between two characters. For example, when we select these two characters and apply kerning, you can see that it adds space between them. This is the vertical scale option. We can decrease it or increase it as needed. And this is the horizontal scale option, which we can also use according to our work requirements. This option is baseline on which our text is written. Now look at this. This is character rotation, which allows us to rotate our characters like this. This is the all caps option. When we click it, all the words turn into capital letters. This is small caps. Here, both capital and small letters are used together. Now this is superscript. When we select the text and apply superscript, you can see that it moves upward. This option is subscript, which is used in formulas. For example, this is the water formula. When we select it and apply subscript, you can see that the formula is properly formed. This is the underline option. When we click it, a line appears under our text. This is strikethrough, which draws a line through the text like this. Now let's go to the paragraph panel. Here we can set the alignment of our text. This is align left, this is align center, and this is align right. We can also use justify with last line, justify with center line, and justify all lines. These are bullets, which we can apply to our text, and this is the numbered list, which we can use in the same way. This is left indent, from where we can move our text to the left side. This is right indent, and this is first line left indent. This is hyphenate. You can see this line appearing in the text, which means the sentence is being broken and part of it moves to the next line. If we don't want this, we can uncheck it, and now you can see that the line is no longer visible.